Good morning, brothers and sisters, my viewers all over the globe. I wish every one of you happy weekend. We are here once again to talk about some issues. It's your brother, your uncle, aka Baba Solution. I'm broadcasting live from Ibude Global TV. Our discussion today is a little message because there is no more time to spend like that this time. There are a lot of things I'm trying to bring together to make sure that this Ibude Global will go viral. What we want to talk about today be say why we don't like our things. Anything wey we see say e come from other places, we go dey like am pass wetin we get. E come be like papa when e no fit build house for city, when God come butter the pikin bread, the pikin come build house, the baba suppose to dey happy say yes, pikin pass papa, e no be cause. Na prayer for everybody say make my pikin better pass me. This time around, wetin I dey like to talk be say na concerning our country Nigeria. Some of you might not reason with me o, una say wetin dey talk e no make sense. Wetin I dey talk, I know say e go make sense to every one of us. When I talk say we no dey like our things, I come see say many things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Then I come dey look wetin dey happen for where we dey. Difference wey dey very big. And pikin wey no get papa and mama, if the one wey get papa and mama dey advise their own children, who no get papa and mama take ear dey collect am. Then you come know how you take dey live life. I watch one of our brother interview the director general, I can say, Oga Innocent Chukwumamotos, the manufacturer, Nigeria made car. When I watch the interview, dis na people wey be say dem no dey government. They start from the beginning, from ground, come be somebody. Wetin dis man put for Nigeria, when many Nigerians no know, from the government, from the federal, they come down. They no know the important. The thing dey disturb me for mind. Na I say I go tell our people, e no be this time person go dey put water for drum wey e don full. May I start from where all of us know where we dey stay. If you dey abroad, anywhere part where you dey, this thing wey I dey talk, you don witness am and you go know say wetin I wan talk about na true. Why e be say this time when God don still bless Nigeria with people wey get experience for their head, dem no let that experience waste. Dem come dey use this experience now, come dey do motor, bring this one together, bring the other one together. Dem come dey manufacture motor for our place. This one no be assemble say dem don do am, we go come dey lock am together. No, from the chassis na dem dey weld am, do everything, come dey put wire, come dey do everything, come put everything together, come put engine, come put gearbox. Na im this Innocent Motors dey do, IVM. I was very happy. And this time around, Nigeria dey cry say economy no good, say things dey very difficult. Federal no start say as this our pikin don put this company for this our land. Every government office from federal to local government, na this motor we go dey use make we dey patronize am. The same time the money wey dey come there, the tax wey dey pay, e go dey make our economy dey go up. Government no bring this talk. The other day I see Rivers State governor, he go buy Jeep, Rover Sport, Toyota, I no know wetin dem dey call them, many Toyota he go buy. Why e come be say the drum wey e don full na we still go dey put water? You carry trillions of dollar comot go buy motor for London or Japan, you carry am, you transport am come Nigeria, you come dey share am for people, una come dey use say na bulletproof. This you no send motor fit do all this motor. Make una tell am the type wey una need, the design wey una need. E don dey inside the business, if e go fit do am give us, then that money e go join our economy go dey grow. Why e be say we dey carry money go dey buy vehicle for another man land, pay take ship am come, pay everything, pay duty take clear am, when we go buy am from Inewude, e no take us anything to bring the motor to any state we wan use the motor. The country wey I dey so, right from the smallest car wey dem dey produce, police dey use am, carabinieri dey use am, polisia dey use am, municipality dey use am, wetin dem dey call these people when for whether na forest guard, I will remember the name later. All of them dey use this motor wey dem dey do for their land. E no mean say dem no dey use other motor, but the motor wey dem use pass na the motor wey dem dey do for their own land. Dem dey use other one, the other one wey dem dey use e no reach any percentage, but this one go reach vehicle, both their bus wey dem dey do Ducato, vehicle, all of them, both lorry, buses, dem dey use oil. Why? Because dem wan make their economy dey grow. Why e come be say instead of us to buy motor wey this our brother don struggle give better name to Nigeria, we no dey patronize am? Why this thing come be like that? This na big question to you from top, from Baba, our Baba wey be father of all. Papa wey get many children, may I tell you one thing, no expect all your children to sleep carry head face one side. This our country, when you know say you get many children wey you get, dem get different area wey be say dem know something. For our brothers for north, dem good for farming, dem dey give us food take dey assist the one wey we dey farm for our side too. Then the southwest, dem dey produce cocoa. That time when I know, you dey get cocoa for their side steady, dey get kola, even season of walnut, you no ever even reach sef, dem still dey get am for Yoruba land. Bitter kola, dem dey get am. Then ogbolo, dem dey get the farm. These people specialize for this one. Our brothers for east, God give them the knowledge to manufacture. Dem dey manufacture something. Then you go see small boys, some go do transformer from east, some go do aircraft, e go dey fly, e go dey come down, e go take their time. Small boys wey never even reach anything. Then one small boy that day, Lamborghini, he do am. The seat go come out by itself. The seat go in, the door go close. The area where your children know something, that area you go push them. You go embrace them. You go give them support. Then they go do this thing. At the end, you go come be papa when dey shakara. You go come be papa of nation wey be say know wetin dey do. Why we dey abandon these people? We no dey take care. We no dey take care of these people. Say wetin dem dey do so? Na wetin oyibo collect one by one come to be say oyibo land too fine, oyibo too know something, oyibo na witch. Na lie. Oyibo no get witch. The same brain wey God give you, na him give oyibo. When he give white, na him give black. When he give black, na him give white. Difference no dey. Oyibo with black will be the same. Wetin different na color and language. Blood na the same thing. Vein wey dey inside body, everything wey dey your own system na dey black man own. Why we go leave the masquerade when we get for our village? We go say no sabi dance. Then we go go outside go dey look for other masquerade make come dance for us. But if we dey play band for this masquerade dey learn, before you know it, the masquerade don understand how to take dey play your drum, how to take dey play your agogo, how to take dey play your ogene, how you take dance follow am. Why we dey like to push our children comot say wetin dem dey do e no dey important to us. IVM, I lis ten to your interview. I've lis ten to your interview 2 times. There are a lot of things you will do for us. That day you said they should make sure say the embassy all over the world dey use the motto. That one no be the vote of contention o, director Mr. Chukwuma. The vote of contention be say if you dress comot from your house, you look your mirror, you go know say whether wetin you put for your body e fit you or e no fit you. When you look am say e fit you, any person wey you meet say this thing wey I put for my body, how you see am, e good? That person e don put good since, because you yourself before you come out you know say this thing don dey perfect. Nigerians have to be buying this IVM car. My first time when I see the motor for Lagos road, I come dey ask say which bus be this? Dem say na Innocent Motors, na Nigeria dey do am. I was so very happy. My oga director Innocent Chukwuma, God will bless your days and you will live long to build more. Wetin I wan talk about some interview wey you talk that day. Problem wey we get, you mention one thing wey touch me. My other video I still talk am. How Nigeria go get one seaport for a whole nation, a country of 2 point something million, 250 million, you will get only one seaport? E no make sense, oga. When you talk that thing that day, I disagree with you, because if seaport dey near you, e dey Warri or Port Harcourt, e dey easy for you to carry the things wey take dey manufacture this fine cars for us. E go dey easy and you go spend lesser. You say before na whether 150 na una dey pay for truck wey dey carry am come to Nnewi. Now it's over 1 point something million. Oga, na step back be that. And I still want you, oga, make you do one favour, because na the little children na dey carry person name go far. e no be big men. Why I make this parable? Here for Europe, you get big car, you get medium car, you get smaller one. Na so the price, the one wey you fit buy inside, you buy. Like those one wey dem dey use for taxi, town service. Dis na people wey go boost this business. And we wey dey outside Nigeria or any part of the world, we will know say this time stress wey we dey pass through for work for Lagos, e dey too difficult for us. If your motor say we can afford to buy am, e better say instead of us to use the money for here, we go carry am come Nigeria, buy motor from you. Then the company go dey grow, the economy of Nigeria dey grow. Motor wey the average people go fit dey buy take dey do taxi. I remember those days after Maurice Marina, for Black Maria, that's 1200, that's 120, 160B, 140J, and so on and so forth. All these are Japanese motor. Then they bring am come. Then Yoruba land, then understand the business very well. Then they give us for higher purchase. C20 when they call tuke, we dey buy am that time new one 2,800, 2,700, depends on where you buy am, 3,000 naira. Then if anybody wey get 1,000 that time, you fit go deposit that money, take carry higher purchase. Who dey strong for work, you see am say you come work, you go pay that money, you go still buy that one. Then life don better for them. Who better life for them like that? Na you. When e be say you fit bring this thing come out for instrumental pay, have branches all over Nigeria. Look for better agent when be say they make return to you. Even though government say they want frustrate their enemy, they cannot frustrate this our brother company, Innocent Motors. Na good thing na you carry enter Nigeria. Wetin papa no fit do, pikin do, and papa suppose to dey celebrate. They call for party say my pikin, I no dream say I go get house for Benin. My pikin don build house, he don put me for house. Papa and mama dey happy. Na so Nigerians from federal to local government level, they suppose to dey happy say our brother, he don butter our bread. I want to beg all Nigerians. I no come here to accuse anybody, I just dey give my own word of advice. Make we patronize this our brother. The stress wey we dey pass through, sometimes people container, because of congestion, they no calculate the days when they don take offload container. Dem say do mortgage don dey. How many people una know say do mortgage don carry comot for business? They are very many. They are very many. Today they cannot do the business. But if we are buying this thing there, say na wharf dey everywhere. If a ship come down today, e drop a load, everybody clear im own container, give people when e get load their load. I believe Nigeria go dey get more money. Many people don comot for the business. Some importer and exporter, some don comot because na frustration na be that one. When be say you when you dey do something, you dey think of how you go take get the whole money, make the money no go other states. If a termite dey fly, you cannot kill the whole termite say no one go fly pass you, say you must carry up for your hand or make you go fry make you chop. E no dey possible. Penny wise pass foolish. Make we reason this thing when I talk. I want make una reason with me. And I urge everybody when dey social media, these are things we suppose to dey join together dey fight. Make we no dey fight ourselves, we are brothers and sisters. Make we no dey insult ourselves. We are one brother and one sister. Whether you are from Igbo, whether you are from Hausa, whether you are from Yoruba, whether you are from Ijaw, any part of Nigeria you come from, we are one. We are one family. Let that unity be among us. And our leaders, I beg you now, make una no dey do say this one e no dey speak my language, the other one no dey speak my language. Na be problem wey you get for ground. So if papa marry two wives, e dey possible for you, if you wan sleep, you wan do anything, have two of them together the same time, quarrel no go come o. This one no go say na this one you love pass, or na the other, or if una wan still baff, three of una enter, una baff together. Love e don solid with that. Na so e be for children. If you get two children or three, no love one pass, or this one because I send a message, you first bend her go one side, and na the stubborn child. Na lie. E no be that one dem take dey do am. E no be that one. And two, e no be by beating pikin go take hear your word. Sometimes you call am, sit am down, you give am word wey be say if e hear, if e swallow am, e go reason, gradually go change. Our nation is a great nation. We have the intellectual people. People can manufacture things. We have them in Nigeria there. If we invest money in East, I believe, as we dey talk of Japan, like say from beginning, maybe after the Civil War, we say okay, everybody make we come together. Wetin don happen pass, e don pass. This area, wetin una specialize on, government go dey sponsor am, make una dey do am. This side, wetin una specialize on, government go dey sponsor am, una dey do am. Before you know it, Nigeria will be competing with Western world. We can do it because we have the materials. If this man have never worked in government, Innocent Montos, he just start from the scratch, gradually. He's not having degree or whatever, but the knowledge of God, he dey with am. That knowledge of God, if you like that, he go take and think. He go come think pass person wey say in a graduate or in a professor. You see, this is the work of God. Please, I want everybody to patronize Innocent Montos IVM. Any kind of car you need, tell him he can design it for you. The government, the federal, the local government, any kind of car you people need, just tell him this is the kind of car, this is how I want it to be, and this is how I want it to look like. He will manufacture it for you more than what you will expect. I'm not an Igbo man. Don't say because I'm Igbo man I'm saying this. I'm from Edo State. I love good things. When I see person do wetin I no fit do, I go praise that person, say God, give this person strength, give am long life, give am wisdom, knowledge to carry this thing beyond his own expectation. That is my great joy. It doesn't mean I have to be in that field before I will praise person. No, I have to praise that person because he know what he's doing. He know what he's doing. Please, government, I beg every one of you, I want you people to reason with us. Nigeria citizens are not supposed to scatter all over the world. We have every resources to do or to take care of anything we want to do to any level. Because of selfishness, governor will rule for 8 years, he will still deal money without even repaying the state. Local government will rule for 8 years, chairman, he will not repay his local government, they will steal the money and go away. Do you think, let me ask you people one question, those that are doing it, it's not every one of you, but those that are doing it, do you think tomorrow when you pass away, the money you save in Switzerland, America, London, your children will get that money? It's not possible. They are not going to give you that money. That money is not coming back to you. When they are saying, the Western world are saying they are helping Africa, I always go bitter, because the money the armed robbers leaders loot out of our countries, various countries in Africa, that same money is what they are using to help us. They are not helping us from their own purse. They know number of money that they have loot from Africa that is staying with them. They know it all. If they should return those money to Nigerians or any country in Africa, Africa will be a better place, because we have the manpower, we have the resources, we have the good weather. This is a land we don't use machineries. We just dig things inside the ground, and at the end we harvest multitude of crops. Please, it is time to come back together. This is not the time to kill. This is not the time to fight. This is time every one of us will come together as one. A leader who is leading 2.5 million people, lead us well. Don't be tribalism. A governor of a state, rule us well. Don't steal our money. A local government chairman, govern us well. Don't steal our money. If you build an estate, remember one day when you stole money to build an estate, the money for the masses, the money for the citizen, you steal that money to build estate for yourself. When you die, 2 years is too far, your children will sold all those things, they become poor, wretched people like the people you steal the money from. That is the prayer I have for you. Those that steal money. Many women are right there dying. They are trying to put themselves in labor in their house. No hospital. Nobody cares. You are stealing money. When you are sick, you come to Western world and treat yourself. The money you steal can build even up to 10 standard hospital, the same hospital you visit right here in Europe or America or Asia. You can build it. Please, you need to think. You people need to think. We are tired of crying. Please, I want to beg every one of you, those of you who kill brothers, sisters, mothers, children, please, you people have to stop. I'm begging in the name of Jesus. You people have to stop, because if you keep your children safe and you kill other man's children, do you think you have a joy? Do you think God is watching you? You don't know what to do? God wants just to see, watching you to see if you can change before it's too late. Change. I'm just keeping it. I'm keeping it, man. Always follow my program, like and share. More things are coming. Ibude Global TV is not a platform that I'm coming here to insult anybody. I am coming here to tell you the truth. Very soon, brothers and sisters, we will be on live programs. This platform belongs to every one of us. When we resume on live stream, we'll leave a phone number because we are still doing some certain things, some technical things in our studio. Then you can contribute. You can also call and contribute your quota. How this thing is supposed to be. We want to learn in this very place. I want every one of us to come together to learn. I will learn from you. You will learn from me. You will learn from the other person. The other person will learn from you. Nobody is perfect. Please, I want you to like and share. God bless you until I come your way next week. Have a nice day. Happy weekend. Bye-bye.